Welcome to today creative fabric project where simple piece of cloth become beautiful handmade creations. Let's take a fresh look at the wonderful possibilities of fabric and discover how color, textures and pattern can bring handmade craft or to life. Fabric is one of the most useful and beautiful material for handmade craft. It comes in countless colors, prints, textures and designs, making it perfect for creative projects. There is something special about fabric crafts because they can be simple, colorful, elegant, useful and decorative at the same time. Every piece of fabric has its own personality. Some fabric are soft and light, some are thick and strong, some have beautiful floral prints, others have strips, checks, geometric patterns, or simple solid colors. This variety makes fabric such an exciting material for crafting. When we look at a piece of fabric, we can see more than just cloth. We can see colors, patterns, textures, and creative possibilities. A simple piece of fabric can become part of something completely new and beautiful. This is the magic of handmade crafts. Fabric crafts are also a wonderful way to express personal style. Everyone has different tastes. Some people love bright and colorful design, others prefer soft and peaceful colors. Some enjoy floral patterns, others like modern and simple prints. Fabric allows us to explore these different styles. The choice of fabric can completely change the appearance of a handmade project. Bright color can create a cheerful and energetic feelings. Soft color can give a calm and elegant appearance. Dark shades can create a classic and sophisticated look. Natural colors can give calm and simple feelings. This makes fabric extremely versatile. Another beautiful quality of fabric is its texture. When we touch different fabrics, we can feel how different they are. Some feel smooth and soft, some have a slightly rough texture. Others are thick, fluffy, and delicate. These textures can make handmade projects more interesting. Fabric crafts are not only beautiful to look at, but they can also feel warm and comfortable. This is one reason fabric is often used for handmade home decorations and personal accessories. Fabric can also be combined with many other materials. Buttons, ribbons, lace, beads, yarn, embroidery, and decorative pieces can all add extra character to a fabric craft. A simple fabric can become much more attractive when combined with different texture and detail. These small elements can give the final project a unique appearance. One of the best things about fabric craft is that they can also help us reuse old materials. Many people have old clothes, unused fabric pieces, scraps, curtains, or leftover textile at home. Instead of throwing them away, these materials can become part of a new creative project. Using fabric gives old material a second life. It can also help reduce waste. This makes fabric recycling a wonderful combination of creativity and sustainability. An old piece of clothing may no longer be useful as clothing, but its fabric may still have a beautiful color or interesting patterns. That material can become part of something new. This is the beauty of recycling. Something old can become something useful again. Something forgotten can become something beautiful. Fabric crafts can also be a great way to decorate the home. Handmade fabric decoration can bring warmth and personality into a room. They can make a space feel more comfortable and welcoming. Colorful fabric can brighten a room. Neutral fabric can create peaceful appearance. Patterned fabric can add a creative touch Different style can create completely different moods. Fabric crafts can look beautiful in bedroom, living room, spaces, craft rooms, and many other areas. They can also make small spaces feel more personal. A handmade decoration does not have to be large to make a difference. Sometimes a small fabric detail can change the whole feeling of a room. This is what makes handmade decoration so special. Fabric crafts can also make thoughtful gift. A handmade gift carries